Hello, Bernabi first graders, and welcome back for another lesson. Last time, we practiced using belly breathing to help us calm down when we were feeling angry. Let's practice 3 big belly breaths all together. Remember, in through your nose and out through your mouth, nice and quiet. Here we go. Great job. This time, we're going to learn a new way to help us stay calm and in control of our feelings. This strategy that I'm talking about is called self-talk. It's the things you say in your head that can help you feel better or control your emotions. To help us learn a little bit more about self-talk, I brought this picture of my friend Rita. Here, take a look. This is Rita, and this is Tiffany. Tiffany has finished all of her worksheets and is now working on a special project for the teacher. Tiffany always finishes early. Her work is always neat, and she gets the right answers. Just once, thinks Rita. I'd like to finish before her and get to do a special project. With all those negative thoughts in her head, Rita feels like putting her head down. How do we think that Rita feels? Yeah, she might feel jealous or angry or frustrated. Rita is jealous of Tiffany. It's natural to feel jealous about what someone else can do or gets to do. But sometimes the feeling is so strong, your body feels uncomfortable and it's hard to think. So we know that Rita is having a strong feeling. We can tell by the expression on her face, and it just looks like that she is having a really hard time and that she's frustrated. Fortunately, Rita remembers to use her stop signal and names her feeling. She says, "Stop, I'm feeling very jealous and frustrated." Next, she does some belly breathing to calm down. At first, Rita feels better, but then she starts thinking negative thoughts about all the things that Tiffany gets to do, and she starts to feel uncomfortable again. So another way to calm down is to use positive self-talk, which is speaking quietly to yourself or thinking positive things in your head. What we say to ourselves can change the way we feel. If we say positive or good things to ourselves, we're likely to feel better. When we say negative or bad things to ourselves, we tend to feel worse. Rita decides to tell herself that it's okay to work at her own pace and that she can focus on her work. She says it over and over until she starts to feel better, and she even takes a couple more belly breaths. Once she starts to feel more calm, she can get right back to work. Okay, everyone, let's practice coming up with some positive self-talk. I'm going to read out a scenario, and I want you to think of something you can say in your head that would help you feel better or fix the problem. For example, if I found out that I had a flat tire before school in the morning, I would say, "It's going to be okay, I can fix it, and I can call school and let them know I might be a little bit late." Okay, here we go. Let's try the first one. First, someone cut in front of you in the line for lunch. You start to think negative thoughts and how mad it makes you. What could you say in your head that would help you feel better and fix the problem? You might say, "It's not that big a deal," or "I'm still going to get my lunch," or "It's not worth getting that upset over." And that would help you calm down and think about the problem. Okay, here's another one. It's almost your turn to read in front of the class. You start to think negative thoughts about being embarrassed or messing up. What is something positive you can say to yourself instead? You might say, "I can do it," or "I got this," or "I've read in front of the class before, it's no big deal." All those things give you confidence and help you do your best. All right, let's do one more. You're trying to finish some work at your desk, but other kids around you are making a lot of noise. You start to think negative thoughts about how rude they are and how you can't concentrate. What is something positive you can say to yourself instead? You might remind yourself to focus, or say, "I have to stay focused on my work," or "I can do it." All those things would help you keep your attention where it needs to be. All right, first grade, great job. That's all for now, and I will see you next time.